Hey guys! Streaming on major platforms like Twitch, Mixer, Facebook, and YouTube Live has become big business these days. So if you're planning to get on board, it is important to get the best streaming camera that caters to your needs. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 cameras for streaming available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best cameras for streaming. The 5th product on our list is the GoPro Hero 7. A compact camera designed for recording extreme activities such as sports, recreational activities, and more. The GoPro Hero 7 is the company's flagship model in 2019. It is available in 2 different models, the Hero 7 Black and the Hero 7 Silver. In terms of features and functionalities, the Black Hero model is superior to the Silver. On the other hand, both models include the free GoPro Plus subscription and a touchscreen panel for more accessible and smoother device navigation. GoPro Hero 7 is packed with tons of features and functionalities that you will not find on any other camera. It is capable of recording 4K videos of up to 60 frames per second, take pictures with HDR support, and record slow-mo videos of up to 8 times slower than the usual speed. It also has built-in microphones to reduce environmental noise and more. However, in terms of streaming functionality, the GoPro Hero 7 can only stream at 720p resolution. This resolution is decent enough for high-definition content, but may not be enough if you wish to stream in higher quality. Its pros are, it has a built-in live streaming functionality. It streams in high definition. It is ideal for extreme activities, and it gives you excellent value for its price. However, its limited streaming functionalities can be a turn-off. If you are a content creator or someone who wants to stream sports or extreme outdoor activities live on various social media platforms, then the GoPro Hero 7 is worth looking into. The 4th product on our list is the Microsoft Lifecam HD 3000. You may find that the Lifecam HD 3000 is a little bit of an oddball on our list. However, if you are on a budget, then this camera is an excellent option to consider. Despite its limitation to 720p resolution at 30 frames per second, the camera has automatic face tracking and low light adjustment. It offers excellent value despite being an older gen model. Aside from that, the Lifecam HD 3000 also comes with a digital zoom function, as well as a manual focus option for steady content such as in streaming gameplays. Its pros are, it has an affordable price. It is an easy to use plug-and-play camera, and it has up to 60 degrees field of view. However, it's a basic camera for streaming. For a decent yet affordable device to stream on your desktop, the Microsoft Lifecam HD 3000 might be what you need. The 3rd is the Logitech C930E. The Logitech C930E is one of the most advanced cameras for streaming on the market. One key feature of this camera that sets it apart is its ability to encode video, resulting in better video quality. It comes with the scalable video coding and UVC 1.5 encoding to minimize its dependence on computer and network resources. Furthermore, the C930E utilizes the Right Light 2 technology and a precision lens to provide sharp videos even in low light conditions. The C930E features a 90-degree field of view that makes it perfect for most displays nowadays. It supports 1080p resolution running at 30 frames per second and comes with the ability to autofocus with face tracking recognition. All of these make this camera an excellent choice for most online streaming content at home. Its pros are, it runs on 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. It has built-in video encoding. It has Carl Zeiss optics, and it comes with excellent autofocus. However, it is expensive. If you are planning to get a camera that gives you a high-quality video, Logitech C930E is the one for you. The 2nd product on our list is the Razer Kio streaming webcam. The Razer Kio is the gamer's streaming camera. Razer, as a brand, is well known for its commitment to designing excellent PC peripherals for gamers. Hence, it is no surprise that the Kio garnered numerous awards from reputable sites, including the Best Webcam 2020 award by Tom's Hardware. One particular aspect of the Kio that caught our attention is the built-in ring light. When streaming in a low-light environment, it usually results in poor picture quality. To address that issue, Razer equipped the Kio with a powerful built-in ring light. Not only does it eliminate shadows, but the light also enhances the subject's face positively. Other than that, the camera live streams with 720p quality, running at 60 frames per second. For larger resolution, it supports up to 1080p streaming quality with 30 frames per second. Furthermore, it is compatible with Open Broadcaster, XSplit, Streamlabs, and more. The Kio also comes with a built-in microphone that supports 16-bit 48 kHz audio codec and is omnidirectional. Its pros are, it has well-balanced video quality with a built-in light. It has excellent color reproduction. It supports 60 frames per second for smoother video quality. And it has fast and accurate autofocus. However, configuring the Kio on Mac can be a headache. If you are a gamer who requires a streaming camera that can output 60 frames per second, then look no further than the Razer Kio. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top camera for streaming is the Logitech C920 HD Pro. The Logitech C920 HD Pro landed on the first spot for all the right reasons. Considered as the king of cameras for online streaming, the C920 is capable of producing fluid video content thanks to its support of full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second. Logitech C920 is a highly recommended streaming camera by all users all over the globe. One key feature that makes it shine is its advanced video capture technology. When streaming, every video content will look more vibrant and definitive without any form of configuration. It comes with an automatic HD light correction that fine-tunes the lighting conditions to produce bright, contrasted images even in a dim setting. The Logitech C920 comes with 2 built-in stereo microphones located on each side of the camera. These microphones are strategically placed to enhance the audio quality. Also, the glass lens enables the camera to record videos that are crisp and seamless when streamed. Its pros are, it has a flexible frame rate and camera resolution. It keeps track of our face without noticeable delay. The automatic light setting makes your videos vibrant even when recorded in low light. And the autofocus is also one of the best we have seen so far. However, its built-in microphones have short distance capture. But if you need professional quality and vibrant colors for your streaming sessions, the Logitech C920 HD Pro is one of the best webcams on the market. And that's all for our top 5 streaming cameras on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now, thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.